guys, so excited for what's in this box here. It is the ORFELD 4-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner. Believe it or not, this thing has longer lasting charge, works longer than a Dyson vacuum cleaner. So, super good quality. Let's open this up and see how this works. Alright guys, so this is everything that we have. Brushless bottom here. So what I mean by brushless is that this is going to be so much easier to clean up after, other than those super long brushes that some have. So here's our end, our actual vacuum itself, battery. We've got several ways of sucking up things, extensions, the handle itself, which extends, it can be small, and this extends to be large as well. And then this plugs into the wall, so you can see there's the cord that plugs into the wall, but the vacuum itself is completely cordless. An extra filter, which is super nice, and then this is just so that you can screw this into the wall. And then of course our operating manual. Okay, so a couple cool facts about this. We got a 200-watt brushless cordless vacuum, and then 24 kPa ultra powerful suction. So this here is super powerful. Again, 60-minute longer runtime than even the Dyson cordless vacuum, which is pretty impressive. It's got very powerful LED lights here. So that means that you're gonna be able to see into all the corners. And then of course, no cord is the best part.